Water leaks at the faucet handle base are super common but totally fixable if you know what to do. So, first, turn off the water supply to avoid a mini indoor waterfall. Then, pop off the handle by either unscrewing a little cap or using an Allen wrench, depending on your faucet style. Once the handle is off, you'll see the cartridge or seals. These are usually the main culprits causing leaks. Grab a replacement cartridge or seals that match your faucet model, because using the wrong parts will just make things worse. While you're in there, check for any mineral buildup or grime and clean it out with vinegar or a soft brush. Put the new seals or cartridge in place carefully, making sure everything lines up right. This part's key to stopping leaks. Screw the handle back on, turn your water supply back on slowly, and test it out to see if the drip is gone. If it still leaks, double check if you installed everything correctly, or if you might need a different replacement part. One of the biggest mistakes people make with faucet leaks is rushing through the repair without shutting off the water, which leads to water everywhere and extra mess to clean up. Another common issue is buying generic or incorrect replacement seals or cartridges that don't fit properly, so always check the make and model of your faucet before hitting the store or ordering online. The third problem is not cleaning out mineral deposits or debris inside the faucet, which can prevent new seals from sitting right and cause leaks to keep coming back. A simple vinegar soak can fix this easily. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. It also helps contractors find steady work from people who actually need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone involved.